Welcome to the VHF UHF channel, and this is the weekly update. So I will, of course, continue and try to make videos this week. One of the things I'll concentrate this week a lot is two things. The ICOM ICR30. I know a lot of you want to learn more about it and also give more of my impressions. I'll actually have a couple of videos showing you D-Star operation. We're going to talk about some of the features. A lot of people are, kind of a little, they don't understand certain features, and especially, for example, why does a receiver have a GPS and so on. And there's our reasons why you might want to have location on signals and stuff. So this is going to be a lot of videos of ICOM ICR30. Also, there's going to be some kind of general ideas and showing you. I plan to do some outdoors stuff this week, especially on Thursday. I will probably go to a park in the east end of the island of Montreal where we could see boats in the St. Lawrence Maritime Seaway. So I'm gonna give you ideas of things that you can listen to. Because too many people are on the impression that there's absolutely nothing. And, radio requires patience and requires scanning and requires tuning around because, yes, there's a lot of stuff to listen to. But you have to do it the right way and be patient. It's not, remember these are, intermittent communications. They're not talking all the time. So you might scan 10 times the same frequency that with nothing, and then the 11th time you scan, suddenly there's a signal there. So I'm gonna kind of show you that even an old scanner radio lying around can still be very interesting, but we got to adjust to the types of communications available today, especially if you use an older scanner radio that's more into the analog radio. We'll continue testing out a little bit on the K180 WLA that you see here on this picture. I've been testing it a little bit on the 400 megahertz range. It seems interesting. I'll say this: it receives, and I know that according to the specs of this antenna, it should still have about 8 or 9 dB gain at 400 megahertz. I have heard a lot of communications that I listen to on regular scanners at 451, 452 megahertz, a little bit of ham activity on the 440 megahertz range. I'm trying to get satellites. I haven't been successful, though, on the satellites that are in the 440 or 430 megahertz range. So, but I'm going to continue this week. I'm not the kind of guy that, after 2 or 3 tries, stops. I'm the kind of guy that tries quite a lot, so we're going to see if I can do this, but overall it's going to be interesting. So I expect to have regular videos coming up this week. I'm going to try to, like I said, ramp up the activity on this channel and try to have a lot more interesting content and a lot of content also. We're going to continue talking a little bit about satellites. I get a lot of questions from people about satellite operation and what are the types of satellites we can actually hear. I think that's going to be interesting also to talk about. A lot of people don't actually know exactly what satellites are available, and so we're going to try this week to get all of that working, and hopefully it's going to be a fun week for you guys on the content of the videos. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.